Can you identify the organelles in this cell? Each letter is going to represent a different organelle. What letter represents the lysosomes? Remember, these are membrane-bound organelles with enzymes inside, and they're kind of like the custodians of the cell. The lysosome in this cell is letter E. What letter represents the Golgi body? This organelle is another membrane-bound organelle, and it's kind of like the UPS center of the cell because it ships and packages materials around the cell. The Golgi body is letter G. What letter represents the nucleolus? The nucleolus is found in the nucleus, and its main job is to produce parts of the ribosomes. Letter C represents the nucleolus. What letter represents the cytoplasm? Remember, the cytoplasm is all of the liquid and organelles just within the cell membrane. It's kind of hard to tell, but J here is the cytoplasm. This might ask you, what is I? I is pointing to a small organelle that's found on the rough ER and also produces proteins. I is representing the ribosome. What is K in this cell? It's the outside of all cells, and it regulates what enters and leaves the cell. K is representing the cell membrane. What is L in this cell? My hint is it's the powerhouse of the cell if you remember it that way, but it's the site of cellular respiration more specifically. L is representing the mitochondria. And last one, what is H and F pointing to? H has ribosomes while F doesn't. H and F are representing the smooth and rough ER. Specifically, H is the rough ER and F is the smooth ER.